Hi, my name is Attorney Walsh Wolfnaught III. We are going through question 107 of the top 200 Social Security disability hearing questions that you are likely to hear. All right, here we go. About how big are the areas that you clean, or what types of rooms are they that you clean? Oof, this question does come up rarely, but when it comes up, claimants, especially of the female origin, have difficulty with spatial size. Is it a 10 by 15 room? Actually, no, wait. I have to amend that. Ever since these shows came out with like, we're going to renovate this house, and it's like two bullshit actors that are like, here's what we're going to do now. Now we're going to knock down this wall, and then we're going to go ahead and put a thingy in it, and it's going to be amazing. You know, like those idiots, that they love that shit. That is like, amazing. They're just so, it's so cool. And then, see, what they don't show you is the team of people that comes in to do this function, and then they just take a picture of her with a hammer going like that, and then basically they go back to the team when they're not in that room, you know, working away night and day to actually make that whole thing come together. You know, there's a lot to redoing a house, and when they do these shows, trust me, they overdo it. They make it look way better than if you were to just hop over to Home Depot and buy some crap and throw it up on the wall. It doesn't work like that. It just, if this is a shock to you guys, I'm glad you heard it from me, you know, which happens to me a lot. Doctors don't explain the negative effects of what's going to happen in a timeline fashion with your impairment. Let me ask you this. Did your doctor explain to you, timeline-wise, what bad things are going to happen in the near future for you and in the far-out future if you're still alive? Guessing not, which is why with a lot of my claimants, I get to have that conversation and be the bad guy. Yeah, that's kind of like Santa sitting there having to tell the kid that Ferraris are not on the table this year. All right, so let's go into this. 107. Man, we get off task. You guys are bad for me. All right. About how big are the areas that you clean, or what types of rooms are they that you clean? Just, if you're not sure about spatial size, 99% of you, just say kitchen. Just say study. Just kidding, you don't have a study because nobody uses those anymore. Just say library. Just kidding, blah, 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 same reason. The point is, just say the size of the room by what the room's function is. I know kitchens are all different shapes and sizes and blah, 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 and, you know, blah, blah, blah. Don't care. Anyway, so the reason why they're doing this is they're trying to understand if you have the capacity to go do this as an 8-hour-a-day job. That's the whole point of this kit and caboodle. In about 5 seconds, Sweetie's going to jump up and bark or something, or walk away disgusted because I didn't have treats to give her. So, we're done with 107. We are moving on to 108 because we spent too much time talking about it. All right, 108. Remember, like, subscribe, leave 5 stars, send me pictures of boats that you like. If you want to catch up with me, email me, shoot me a call, or dial me an email. Gotta get that right one of these times. And then also, very important, if you could, I would love it, go ahead and catch up with me live. 8 to 10 Thursday, YouTube, Eastern Standard Time. I will catch you there because I love to do it. Anyways, have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.